Yo, what is up, guys? BVF Collection back at it again with another opening. Today we got ourselves a large touring Bred kill hoodie in this packaging. Without further ado, let's get into it. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. If not, we'll put you guys down. Looks like I'm gonna be able to get through it this time, one-handed. So, hope you guys enjoyed the show. Yeah, I've been expecting this for a couple days now. It's coming from Cali. The front's pretty clean. The backhand is pretty cooked. Also, huge shout out to Nebby's Gallery on Instagram. He's the one who helped me obtain this piece. Without him, I wouldn't have this. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, very nice person to fold it like he did. Minimum crackage right there. Very nice of them. Still pretty dang puffy. Let's go ahead and open it for the last time. Let's go check out the back real quick. Okay, let's go ahead and open this for the last time. All right, very clean. I'm scared to check out the kill hand so early right now. Let's check out this ARC logo. ARC logo looks pretty spicy. The camera's really messed up. There we go. Condition on the front is pretty nice. You got some cracking going on there, some very average spots. Overall, the front is very puffy still. Sleeve text is cracked. Let's go and check out the tag. We got the large tag. The inside is still soft. It's a big plus. Love the tag. All right, let's go and check out the beat kill hand. Okay. You know, not as bad as I was thinking, but overall still pretty cooked. Very wearable condition. Can't wait to try this on. Got some missing puff right there. Some different areas where it's missing puff. Fingernails completely intact. Pretty nice. Got the tag right there. Let's see if it has the... Nope. Tag's been ripped off. It's not super soft, but it's not super rough either. But overall, the kill hand's pretty spicy. And again, the front. Couldn't ask for a better front, honestly. Well, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this opening little thing. Appreciate you guys for staying here as long as you have. Stay tuned for the next one, as always. Stay awesome. Have a great day. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.